Hey guys, Jmart here again. So just doing a quick little video of these trees that I bought from Five Below. They're just $5 at ours. They were $5.55. They're 4 feet. I bought some last year, and they actually work really cool for our little setup that we have outside, where I built a little kind of cabin out of pallets and stuff like that. So I use them to kind of make a little forest and put Christmas lights and different things like that. Last year I put buffalo snow and put it under black light, and it lit up really cool, and it was a lot of fun. Just experimenting right now with these ones. So I had some. I'm experimenting with these Govee Christmas lights. So I just kind of threw those on there. I'm going to show you some of the cool patterns and everything they do. So the Govee Christmas lights. One thing I noticed is, well, like if you're going to put them on your Christmas tree, you got like a white Christmas tree or a silver Christmas tree or a flock Christmas tree, they probably will work fine because they're clear white wires. They're not green. So if you have a green Christmas tree, the wire definitely stands out, and it kind of bugs me, when it's not lit and it's during the day and stuff like that. But these silver ones that I got from, they didn't have these at Five Below last year, but they had them this year. They hide very well. So I was thinking it would be actually really cool. I'll probably string using these Christmas lights and string them on these silver trees, and probably get a few more of those ones. And then kind of do a forest scene. And my thought was kind of elevate them, have the lower ones in green, and then as they go higher, it kind of goes into the colder, snowy type, what you see when you look in the mountains where they're snow capped. So that's kind of my thought process. Hopefully I can get those up before Christmas this year. Here's our other Govee curtain lights that I got going in the background too. That's really cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's look at some of these light sequences. All right, so let me pull up my iPad here. And I'm gonna bring up Christmas tree. So we're gonna turn them off. So we're gonna, it wants to do an update, but we'll do that later. Govee's been adding in a bunch of new different sequences for like music syncs and themes and different things like that, which is really cool. So I'm sure that's part of it as well. So, but let's power these off so you can see them without the Govee lights. So I'm gonna hit this power button. That should turn those off, and now we just have the Costco white LED lights that I put on them. All right, so now let's go ahead and turn these back on, and we're gonna hit the music sync ones, because these ones are always kind of fun, and they have different patterns and stuff like that they can do. And you'll see as I talk to them, they'll do different things like that. They're just sparkling all over the place. So jingle bells, jingle bells. See, a lot of fun with that. They got this other setting, day and night. Let's try like the shiny. That one's kind of cool. Very bright, which it means shiny, right? So let's try this brawl one. That one's kind of cool too. Yeah, they just have all these different options, so we're just kind of going through and playing around with them. If you want to do like a certain color, you can come in here and dedicate like parts of them, like red, green. I was playing around with that. I'll just show you here, but this is some different things that they got on the app. Then they got some predefined scenes, and they got tons of these ones. So like they got a sleeping one. They got Aquaman. What's that? So that one's interesting. Here's some new ones. Here's a Atlantis. That one's kind of cool. So, but yeah, they got all these different ones that they got. Black Manta is a new one that they just added in there. Let's see if they got any ones under. Oh yeah, they added this new segment, games, which is kind of interesting. So this goes off of sound too, but I feel like it goes off the loudness, or and how fast it goes. So like, if I talk very low, I don't know what the difference too much with music and game, but I think it has something to do with the volume of what determines what it does on some of those. Here's some other ones, racing game. See, that one's just even going without me even doing anything. Oh, you know what? Because these are scenes. Gotcha. This is the game control one. So Govee has a lot of different options. So let's go into here now. So they got a clap. It's kind of hard to clap when I'm using both my hands. All right, let's see if a snap works. They got sound waves. La 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 la. Yeah, so you can see it starts the lower one. So that's how the gain function works. So as it gets louder, it lights up more of the strand. But if it's very low, it's just on the lower end. And then as I get louder, you can see all of them are lighting up. So yeah, that's kind of fun. Definitely excited to get these outside. Hopefully I can get this into our holiday display that we have outside with our lights and all that. So if I get that up and going, I'll let you guys know. But take a look. I do like these lights. I can see like wrapping around pillars, trees, all sorts of different things, and tying into like a light show if you're trying to do a holiday light show. Govee has a lot of cool products. They got like a Govee music sync where you can combine a bunch of their lights, so like LED light strips, the curtain lights, these Christmas lights. We got our permanent Eve lights outside. You can tie a bunch of them together and they sync. And they have this little puck that you can buy. It looks like a hockey puck, and it listens and combines it all. They have two versions. One's an outdoor waterproof one that they recently added, and the other one was one that they've had for a little bit that I have. But yeah, cool stuff. Check out the description if you're interested in looking at Govee's products. I'll have this couple of links for Amazon, for affiliate links for some of this, and then also Govee's affiliate link to check out their website. They're always running promotions. From what I see, whatever promotions that they're usually doing on Govee's website, they're also doing on Amazon. But it doesn't hurt to look at both. So check it out. And then if you're interested in this type of content, make sure to subscribe and then hit that like button. All right, guys, have a good one. Talk to you later.